Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video what I'm going to be showing you how to do is use the Surface Manager to create contour lines within FieldGenius. So what I've done before the video began is I've laid out 6 points here in my fake little topo that are stepped in height so we can see exactly what those contour lines look like and how they are affected by our different settings. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to turn on my surface within my Surface Manager here by checking the point database. And you can see here that these colors indicate that there is some slope and change in slope between these points. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create some contour lines. So if I go back into my Surface Manager and right below the point database, if I expand that, you can see there's an option for contour lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check that box, and in the bottom left corner I'm going to hit settings to get my surface settings, and you can see here that there's an option for a contour interval. So by default it's set to 2 meters. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set my contour here to something like 7 meters, and if I hit OK here and I close my Surface Manager, you can see that I have these 2 red lines which are 7 meters apart. And if I want to do anything else with these contour lines, change those settings or change the spacing of them, I can do that from within that Surface Manager. And that is all for today's video. That is how you create contour lines with MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos for you guys. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you have seen on this YouTube channel, whether it be about FieldGenius or the Hemisphere S631, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.